Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view old stories on Facebook mobiles. Make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's begin with our tutorial. So first, we need to go to the Facebook mobile app. Then you click on your profile picture, and after that, we will need to search for our activities or memories, and from there we will find all our activities. So here you will find your settings and privacy, and this is the settings, privacy center, and all the things. What we want is to go and search for, and after that, we want to simply click on our name so we can get to our profile. So from here, we will find this 3 points icon, and that would allow us to find another menu or a pop-up menu. And from here, you will find all your activity. So simply we need just to go to your archive, and inside the archive you will have all your old stories. So I'm just going to click on archive, and from here you will find the story archive. By clicking on the story archive, you will find all the old stories that you have already posted and that they have been expired, and they will be all stored here in the story archive. And you can always access them whenever you'd like. And it will be similar to the Instagram ones. If we go to the profile picture and go to activity, and simply here we will find the archive, and those are the stories archive. You will find all the stories with their dates that you have posted them or when you have already posted them there on your account. And by that you will be able to click on them. You will find these abilities to repost them or to send them to anyone, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.